Tanzania, a tapestry of natural and cultural wonders. Have you ever imagined standing on the edge of a powerful, active volcano, feeling the warmth of the earth rise around you as the distant sounds of bubbling magma create a symphony of nature's raw energy? And what if on the very same day, you could immerse yourself in the serenity of lush coffee plantations, where vibrant green leaves sway in the gentle breeze, and the aroma of ripe coffee cherries fills the air? This isn't a fantasy. It's the extraordinary reality that Tanzania offers every adventurer who dares to explore its treasures. Tanzania is a land of contrasts, where the wild meets the serene and ancient traditions blend seamlessly with breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're seeking an exhilarating adventure, a deep connection with nature, or simply the chance to immerse yourself in a culture rich in history, Tanzania is a destination that promises unforgettable memories. Imagine gazing upon the snow-capped peaks of Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa, standing majestically at 5,895 meters above sea level. Its imposing silhouette has inspired countless climbers and adventurers from around the world, offering a challenge that rewards with unmatched panoramic views. But the wonders of Tanzania don't end there. The country is home to some of the most pristine and awe-inspiring lakes on the planet, each with its own unique character. Take Lake Natron, for example, a crimson jewel nestled in Tanzania's northern frontier. Its striking red hue, caused by microscopic algae that thrive in its highly alkaline waters, creates an otherworldly landscape that is both harsh and beautiful. Despite its extreme conditions, the lake serves as a vital breeding ground for lesser flamingos, with millions of these elegant birds gathering to create one of nature's most mesmerizing spectacles. As we journey through Tanzania, we'll uncover its fascinating history and vibrant culture. Did you know that the Old Dubai Gorge, located within the Great Rift Valley, is one of the most important paleoanthropological sites in the world, often referred to as the cradle of humankind? This ancient site has yielded fossils that are over 2 million years old, offering invaluable insights into the origins of our species. Tanzania's cultural diversity is equally remarkable, with over 120 ethnic groups coexisting harmoniously, unified by the Swahili language. Among these communities, the Maasai people stand out for their vibrant traditions, colorful attire, and deep connection to the land, a culture that has captivated travelers for generations. Tanzania's commitment to conservation is another reason why it stands out as a global treasure. Nearly 40% of its land is protected as national parks, reserves, and conservation areas, ensuring the survival of its unique wildlife. Here, you'll encounter creatures that exist nowhere else on Earth, such as the Pemba flying fox and the red colobus monkey. This dedication to preserving biodiversity is evident in places like the Serengeti National Park, where the Great Migration unfolds each year. Millions of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles traverse the plains in a rhythmic dance of life, pursued by predators that rely on this spectacle for survival. The journey through Tanzania also reveals its agricultural richness, as the country ranks among Africa's leading producers of coffee and tea. Picture yourself walking through plantations where coffee beans are grown under the shade of banana trees, a tradition passed down through generations. The fertile volcanic soil and favorable climate have made Tanzania a haven for agriculture, contributing to its economy and offering travelers the chance to experience the authentic flavors of the land. From the historic streets of Stone Town in Zanzibar, where centuries of African, Arab, Persian, and European influences converge, to the majestic Ngorongoro crater, often called Africa's Garden of Eden, Tanzania is a land of endless exploration. Whether it's the ancient coral stone architecture of Zanzibar, the shimmering salt flats of Lake Eyasi, or the cascading waters of Mataruni Falls near Mount Kilimanjaro, every corner of Tanzania invites you to marvel at its beauty and richness. The Maasai people continue to graze their cattle alongside wild animals, a practice rooted in traditions that predate the Ngorongoro crater's designation as a protected area. This harmonious coexistence reflects their deep connection to the land, a bond forged over centuries of living in sync with nature. The crater itself, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a breathtaking caldera formed from a collapsed volcano millions of years ago. Spanning over 260 square kilometers, it serves as a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. What makes Ngorongoro truly unique is its thriving predator population, including lions, leopards, and hyenas. These apex predators, confined within the crater's natural borders, coexist in close proximity, creating a dynamic ecosystem rarely seen elsewhere. Watching a lion pride laze under the midday sun or observing a leopard stealthily navigate the crater's forests is an unforgettable experience. During the cooler hours, hyenas roam in search of food, their haunting calls echoing through the crater. Nestled along Tanzania's northern coastline, Tanga City is an ancient port with a storied past. Its name, derived from the word sail in many Bantu languages, hints at its rich maritime history. For centuries, Tanga served as a vital trading hub, connecting the African interior to global markets. Walking through Tanga's streets feels like stepping back in time. The city's architecture tells a tale of colonial influences. German-built structures stand proudly beside British administrative buildings, while traditional Swahili homes, with their intricate wooden doors and shaded verandas, dominate older neighborhoods. The Tanga Harbor, naturally protected by the Tanga Bay, played a pivotal role during the spice trade era. Here, merchant ships laden with cloves, cinnamon, and other precious commodities set sail for distant shores. This bustling activity left a lasting imprint on Tanga's cultural and economic identity. Beyond the city, the Amboni Caves await exploration. These limestone caves, the largest in East Africa, were carved over millennia by ancient ocean waters. Archaeological evidence suggests they have been inhabited for thousands of years, and today they hold spiritual significance for local communities. Visitors often marvel at the caves' labyrinthine passages and striking stalactites, which create an otherworldly atmosphere. Surrounding Tanga are sprawling sisal plantations, a legacy of German colonial rule. During the late 19th and early 20th centuries, Tanga became the world's largest exporter of sisal, a hardy fiber used in rope and textiles. The region's economy thrived on this green gold, and the plantations remain a testament to its historical importance. In the city's ancient fish markets, life continues much as it has for centuries. Traditional thou-boats, their sails billowing in the coastal breeze, arrive daily with fresh catches, connecting Tanga's residents to the rhythms of the Indian Ocean. The serene shores of Zanzibar beckon with their natural beauty and centuries-old traditions. Coral reefs lie tantalizingly close to the beach, creating vibrant underwater worlds where parrotfish and angelfish dart among coral formations in crystal-clear waters. At low tide, local women engage in the age-old practice of seaweed farming. Bending over the shallows, they plant and harvest, sustaining a tradition passed down for generations. Arusha is more than just a city. It's the heartbeat of Tanzania's safari adventures. Nestled in the shadow of Mount Meru, Africa's fifth highest peak, this bustling city stands as Tanzania's unofficial safari capital. Its strategic position, halfway between Cairo and Cape Town, made it a crucial waypoint along the old Cape to Cairo road. Today, Arusha thrives as the headquarters of the East African community, symbolizing unity across the region. The Maasai Market, a kaleidoscope of color and culture, offers visitors a chance to explore Tanzania's artistic heritage. Stalls brim with vibrant kanga fabrics, intricately beaded jewelry, and hand-carved wooden sculptures, each item telling the story of the diverse tribes that call this land home. In the heart of the city, the iconic clock tower once marked the alleged midpoint between the Cape of Good Hope and Cairo, a claim debated by modern geography, but cherished as a part of Arusha's identity. For history enthusiasts, the Tanzania Natural History Museum, provides a window into the discovery of early human ancestors at Olduvai Gorge, displaying preserved fossils and artifacts that chronicle humanity's shared origins. Beyond the city, coffee plantations stretch out at the base of Mount Meru. Here, the fertile volcanic soil nurtures high-quality Arabica beans, harvested by local farmers who carry on a rich agricultural tradition. The air is filled with the earthy aroma of coffee roasting, a sensory invitation to explore the flavors of Tanzania. At the foot of the Uluguru Mountains lies Morogoro, a tranquil city surrounded by dramatic peaks and verdant plains. The mountains, named after the indigenous Luguru people, are a testament to human ingenuity, with terraces carved into the slopes to cultivate crops for generations. Morogoro serves as Tanzania's agricultural hub. Its sprawling sisal plantations stretch toward the horizon, a living legacy of the German colonial era. Today, the city is home to agricultural research centers that pioneer innovations in drought-resistant crops, securing food security for future generations. The Uluguru Nature Reserve is a biodiversity hotspot, protecting rare species like the Uluguru bush shrike, found nowhere else on Earth. Visitors can hike through lush forests, where waterfalls cascade down rocky cliffs, and the air buzzes with the sounds of nature. The city's markets overflow with produce from the surrounding farms. From tropical fruits to spices, these vibrant bazaars reflect the bounty of the land and the skill of its farmers. Nearby, the Sokoine University of Agriculture stands as a beacon of knowledge, driving advancements in farming practices across East Africa. From the towering heights of Mount Kilimanjaro to the coral-fringed beaches of Zanzibar, and from Arusha's bustling streets to Morogoro's verdant slopes, Tanzania offers an unparalleled tapestry of natural and cultural treasures. The wonders of this land await your exploration. Which of these extraordinary experiences will you choose to dive into first? If the magic of Tanzania has inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from around the globe. Until next time, asante sana, thank you, and see you in the next video.